Welcome to Engine Explorer. What if we told you the dream home of 2026 doesn't have a zip code, a driveway, or even a foundation? That's right, people are ditching traditional homes in record numbers and trading them in for something completely unexpected, a converted 2026 school bus. And once you step inside this beast, you'll understand why. From the outside, it still carries the silhouette of a classic school bus. Big, bold, unmistakable. But don't let that yellow shell fool you. Because once you enter, it's like stepping into a modern designer apartment on wheels. This 2026 bus has been completely gutted and reimagined as a fully functional tiny home. Hardwood-style flooring, recessed lighting, custom cabinetry, and insulated walls with soundproofing give it the comfort and feel of a high-end studio apartment. And the best part? It rolls wherever you want to go. Let's talk space. You'd be surprised how much living area you can get out of a 40-foot bus when it's designed with intention. This one features a full-size bed in the back, complete with underbed storage and overhead cabinets. Right next to it, a full bathroom with a walk-in shower, composting toilet, and even a stylish sink with a vanity mirror. Not a cramped RV setup, a private bathroom that feels like home. The kitchen, full chef mode. You've got butcher, block countertops, a deep farmhouse sink, propane stove, full-sized fridge, and smart drawer systems that lock automatically while in motion. Overhead cabinets and open shelving give it a clean, organized look. Every inch has been optimized for real-world, daily use, and in the living area. There's a custom sofa that doubles as guest sleeping space, a fold-down dining table, and even space for a mounted TV and solar-powered entertainment system. LED lighting throughout gives it that soft, modern glow you'd expect in an upscale condonaut, a former school bus. But this home isn't just about comfort, it's about freedom. With roof-mounted solar panels, a full battery bank, and a 100-gallon freshwater tank. This bus is fully off-grid capable. You can live anywhere off the highway, in the forest, by the ocean, or deep in the mountains. You're not tied to rent. You're not tied to one zip code. You're free. And that's why so many people in 2026 are ditching the mortgage, the rent, and the rules, because for the cost of a used bus and a few months of work or investment, they're building something better. Independence. This lifestyle isn't just about minimalism, it's about mobility. About choosing views over square footage, experiences over floor plans. And thanks to improvements in insulation, power storage, mobile internet, and tiny home tech, school bus conversions or schoolies aren't just trendy. They're practical, affordable, durable, and very real alternatives to a static life. And let's not ignore the fact that it turns heads everywhere it goes. Whether you're parked at a campsite or refueling at a truck stop, people stop, stare, and ask questions. Because deep down, everyone's thought about what it would be like to just drive away and live on your own terms. This 2026 school bus conversion doesn't just answer that question, it proves it's possible. So whether you're a digital nomad, a weekend traveler, a minimalist, or just someone who's sick of paying rent for a box you barely live in, this is your sign. The tiny home revolution is real. And it's rolling on 6 wheels. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer. Drop a comment if you'd live in a schoolie, or already do. Like, share, and subscribe for more epic builds, off-grid adventures, and wild rides from the front lines of freedom.